Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to download US text document from Google AdSense for YouTube. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Google AdSense. On left side you see payments and then you see payment info. So click on it. So we are in payment info and then you see manage settings. So again click on it. So we are in manage setting and then you see United States tax info and then you see pencil icon. So click on it and then you see manage tax info. So again click on it. Now you see United States form status approved and then you see show tax detail. So click on it. Now you see all detail and then you see date issue. Now you see document and then you see tax year. Now you see date and then you see document. So click on it. So you can download text document and then you see verification. So you can add your password. Now you see US text document in PDF format. Now you see form 1042S foreign person US source income subject to withholding. Now you see 2024. So in this way you can download US text document from Google AdSense for YouTube. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.